As of early March 2020, the Binance USD has been in circulation for 6 months. In that time it has grown to see a total supply and market cap of nearly $200 million, and daily trading volumes approaching $100 million. That places it in the 35th position on CoinMarket as of March the 25th, 2020. Also, according to data from Binance, as of March the 11th, 2020, there were more than 40,000 users holding BUSD on Binance and Binance US, with that user base growing by 20–30% on a weekly basis. There have also been 416 million BUSD purchased since the launch of the token, whether that be through Binance or Paxos, or through any of the 45 exchanges that allow for purchases and trading of BUSD. The growth and momentum of the BUSD stablecoin has been pretty remarkable, although having the backing of Binance has certainly helped. Even so, growing from a market cap of $17 million in September 2019 to $182 million in March 2020 is impressive, and it shows how strong the Binance community is, and how the company has been able to foster adoption of the stablecoin even outside its own ecosystem. While BUSD is only number 35 based on market cap among the total universe of cryptocurrencies, it is also ranked number 5 among stablecoins. Interestingly, the number 4 stablecoin is Paxos Standard with a market cap of $262 million. Considering the impressive growth rate of BUSD, it could feasibly overtake Pax within the next month or two. The team behind BUSD has made these huge strides in just 6 months through hard work, the development of new features and partnerships, by increasing the use cases for the stablecoin both within the Binance ecosystem and without, and by providing the marketplace with a solid solution to connect fiat currency and cryptocurrency. Binance USD is transacted on the Ethereum blockchain network in the same manner as any other ERC-20 token. Any user looking to redeem their BUSD can simply send the tokens to a Paxos-controlled address, where the tokens will be burned and the corresponding fiat currency amount will be transferred from the Paxos reserve accounts to the user's bank account. Because BUSD exists on a public blockchain like the Ethereum network, it is possible for traders to use BUSD as an alternative to fiat currencies. This means users and businesses are able to outsource banking needs to Paxos through BUSD. In addition, because BUSD is an ERC-20 token, it can be integrated with any of the Ethereum-based dApps and smart contracts. Binance and Paxos have taken advantage of this over the 6 months since BUSD was launched to add the following use cases and features: a zero maker fee promotion for all BUSD pairs traded on Binance, several lending products at Binance where BUSD can be deposited to earn interest of as much as 15% annually. BUSD can be used as collateral for borrowing on Binance margin trading. BUSD can also be used as cross-collateral on the Binance Futures platform. Binance has introduced 48 different BUSD trading pairs, including trading against the Chinese yuan, Russian ruble, and Vietnamese dong. Binance platform has introduced a feature that allows users to instantly convert from several other stable coins to BUSD on a one-one basis and without fees. This stablecoin convert feature can be used with TUSD, USDC, and PAX. In addition to those above features, Binance US has also begun to ramp up adoption of the BUSD. It already features 7 different BUSD trading pairs. It has also recently introduced the capability to deposit USDC at Binance US and have it instantly converted to BUSD on a one-one basis without any fees. Since launching in September 2019, the Binance USD has grown in use from traders and investors, while also finding significant support from companies outside its own ecosystem. Thanks to its fully regulated status, it has become considered as a safe bridge between fiat and crypto assets. In addition, BUSD has many benefits for the financial industry, from decentralized finance, or DeFi, to wealth management and account settlements. They are also global use case application for payments thanks to the fast redemptions and minting process that functions automatically through smart contracts. The exponential growth of BUSD in the first 6 months since its launch shows that the market was ready for an alternative to the existing stablecoins. Besides providing utility within the Binance exchange, the stablecoin can also be used as a medium of value transfer across the Ethereum and Binance chains. Binance has also indicated that full support for online payments will soon be coming. BUSD offers several advantages over other stablecoins, such as its improved transparency as a fully regulated stablecoin. It also has price stability, is fully collateralized and audited monthly, has scalability, and is fully supported by the Binance ecosystem, which almost guarantees its continued growth and adoption. In 2017, Binance issued a native utility token known as the BNB token. This token allows users to pay fees at discounted rates. Additionally, it provides for more flexibility in regards to trading pairs on the platform. The BNB token launched during an initial coin offering crowdfunding event that raised $15 million in days. The ICO was held from June the 26th to July the 3rd. During that time, the company offered 100 million BNB tokens to the public. The total supply of BNB is set at 200 million coins. The first BNB tokens were issued on the Ethereum blockchain as EC20 tokens. Within a few months, developers shifted the tokens over to Binance's native blockchain. The transfer gave Binance more control over its inner workings and future operations. Trading on Binance is easy. You will need to head over to their registration page and fill in all the relevant information. Notably, you need to provide valid identification for GAML compliance purposes. Once you have your identification validated, you can link your funding source. You have a few options to consider here. You can choose to use a debit card if you plan to make smaller purchases. Linking your bank account directly will provide you with more flexibility in terms of purchases and withdrawals. If you are planning on buying BNB tokens, you should do so from Binance in order to take advantage of the benefits BNB tokens provide. Once you have linked our banking information, You are ready to fund your account. You can load USD into your wallet directly from your bank. Next, you need to convert your funds over to cryptocurrency. Luckily, Binance offers a variety of fiat trading pairs to meet your needs. Select the trading pair you desire and the amount you wish to purchase. Your cryptocurrency will arrive in your wallet in under a minute. Binance has come a long way on its journey to the top. While the road wasn't always easy, these developers managed to always come out on top. Today, Binance stands as an inspiration to other exchanges seeking to go global.